Alright, so hello my lovelies. I'm coming at you guys with a really quick video. It's gonna be how I moisturize my locks because that is a question that I have now, especially since I'm colored. I altered my moisturizing method since I've changed the color of my hair, but this should be perfect for anybody. Now, I suggest this for people who have 9 months or older locks because they're a little bit more mature, because I know some of you are probably gonna hate one of the ingredients that I add to this, but it's been working thus far for me. So I'm gonna jump right in. Usually my hair, I sleep with all my hair down and I just throw my scarf on. However, for some reason last night I fell asleep and just like put my scarf on over my ponytail. So I don't normally do that, but it was still protected with my satin pillowcase and my scarf. So the first thing that I usually do is I start with my oil mixture. I'll leave the video link in one of these corners right here of what I use for my concoction. This is the same concoction I used for my alopecia when I was attempting to grow my hair back. And as you can see, I was able to grow my hair back. So I suggest this for just anybody, honestly. So I just lightly just go on my roots. And I try not to get crazy with the oil because sometimes I do too much and then as I'm driving, it's just like running down my face. But I just massage that in. Can't forget about that middle. The middle of your head be struggling. Like, this is the first time I don't have nails and like the first time in like a year, so I can actually like nicely massage my scalp. So before I used to just be fearful of losing my retwist when I did this, but now I just don't really care as much. I just kind of just care more so about the health of my hair. Once I feel I got a good amount of oil in, don't forget about them edges. I then move on to my actual locks. I take a spray bottle like this one, and in it I just have some filtered water, so I just use the water from my fridge that you would drink. I don't use sink water. Then from there, I just take some of my lavender essential oil. Some of the benefits of lavender oil is basically it stimulates hair growth, it keeps your hair shiny, it also conditions the hair, and then for some it helps with dandruff as well. I take about this much, and I do 3 of those. This to me just keeps my hair smelling really good, and lavender also has a few other benefits as well. My hair loves almond oil, so I just take a decent amount, maybe like a tablespoon amount. Almond oil is great because it contains a lot of fatty acids, vitamin E, magnesium. It's good for strengthening hair. It's also good for people with damaged hair or people who suffered hair loss. It's a sealant oil, so it locks in all the moisture. And then I use my raw shea butter from Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner, and I do like maybe 2 pumps of that in here. Then I just put my top back on and I just give it a really good shake to kind of break up the conditioner. And then I just take sections of my hair like this. I don't necessarily concentrate on the roots because of the retwist per se, but I just go through my hair like this and then I just squeeze it in so it's not dripping. I don't want my hair dripping water. And I kind of just shake in between sprays as well just to make sure everything's mixed up and I'm not just spraying water. And once I feel like my hair is like nice and like damp, but not dripping, I kind of just leave it and I let them like kind of do their thing and air dry, honestly depending on whatever hairstyle I choose to do. I don't like putting my hair up or like manipulating it too much when it's wet. However, like since it's slightly damp right now and this is just for video purposes, I will be putting my hair back up. And then for like my little curly cues in the back, I either use my Miel avocado hair mask or I just use my Shea Moisture conditioner, whatever whatever I grab first, honestly. So today, since it's easier and there's a spout on the Shea Moisture, I just go down the shaft of my hair with it just to keep these moisturized. And then for the ones on the side as well, I just take that down those as well. So my little curls are good in the back. And that's it. That's just my quick way of how I moisturize my baby locks and my little curls on the side. And yeah, I hope that helped you for anybody asking. And honestly, my locks feel good. It's been working for me thus far. And I have been experiencing no type of bad effects with my hair since coloring it. And this has been working for me thus far. So yeah, I hope that helps anybody. The only difference I would switch it up is I wouldn't add this if my locks were still like, you know, babyish and not exactly budding as of yet. I would just keep it very simple so that you don't have any buildup within your locks as they're kind of locking up. However, at this point for me, since I am colored, I did add that because I want to make sure that my hair is getting moisturized really deeply as well. So that's it. I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is. And I'll see you lovelies later. And let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Leave it in the comment section below and I will definitely do my best to answer you. So, bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JaMexican Beauty, and I'll see you later. Deuces.